Welcome to the all-new 2026 GMC Hummer EV SUV, a groundbreaking leap into the future of electric performance, off-road capability, and bold design. With starting prices from $97,200 for the 2X trim and up to $105,925 for the fully loaded 3X, the Hummer EV SUV redefines what an electric SUV can be, blending uncompromising power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable style into a single electrifying package. From the moment you lay eyes on the Hummer EV SUV, its presence is undeniable. This is a vehicle designed to command attention with aggressive proportions, muscular stance, and a bold front fascia that evokes the heritage of the legendary Hummer name while pushing into a clean, modern electric future. Its signature lighting cues, aerodynamic body panels, and distinctive GMC grille create a front end that's both iconic and futuristic, ensuring that the Hummer EV stands out whether parked in the city or tackling a rugged trail. The Hummer EV SUV is available in multiple trims to cater to every driver's taste and needs. The 2X model comes standard with dual electric motors, producing up to 570 horsepower and an astonishing 7,400 pound-feet of torque. This model offers a GM estimated range of up to 319 miles, proving that electric SUVs can deliver both performance and practicality. The 2X also features four-wheel steer technology, enhancing maneuverability and making tight turns effortless. Available features like Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance, the Extreme Off-Road package, and the optional Watts to Freedom acceleration system provide additional excitement and convenience, allowing drivers to tailor the Hummer EV to their lifestyle. Step up to the 3X and the performance gets truly electrifying, with 3 electric motors producing up to 830 horsepower and best-in-class torque of 115,500 pound-feet. This SUV delivers mind-blowing acceleration, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds with the Watts to Freedom mode engaged. The 3X also boasts a GM estimated range of up to 310 miles, balancing jaw-dropping performance with practicality for daily drives and extended adventures. For those seeking exclusivity, the limited carbon fiber edition takes the 3X to the next level, offering a unique Magnus Gray exterior, Velocity Ember interior, and carbon fiber accents throughout, including wheels, skid plates, and mirror caps. The Hummer EV SUV isn't just about straight-line speed, it's engineered for extreme off-road capability. The innovative CrabWalk feature allows the SUV to move diagonally at low speeds thanks to four-wheel steer technology, giving it unmatched maneuverability in tight spots or rocky trails. For even more precision, the King Crab mode enables the rear wheels to turn twice as much as the front, helping drivers reposition the SUV on challenging trails. Meanwhile, the Extract mode lifts the SUV by approximately 6 inches using the Air Ride adaptive suspension, making it possible to conquer boulders, water crossings, or other tough terrain with ease. Selectable drive modes provide further control, allowing drivers to tailor the Hummer EV's performance to the environment. With off-road, terrain, tow and haul, normal, and My mode options, the SUV adapts seamlessly to city streets, highways, and the most rugged backcountry. The Extreme Off-Road package adds front and rear electronically locking differentials, giving the SUV enhanced traction when it's needed most, ensuring that no terrain is too challenging. On the inside, the Hummer EV SUV delivers a cabin experience as advanced as its powertrain. With 3 unique interior color themes, including the exclusive Velocity Ember available on the carbon fiber edition, the SUV allows for a personalized and luxurious environment. The Infinity Roof, featuring 4 removable modular sky panels and a detachable front eye-bar, brings the outdoors inside while offering protection from the elements. Whether you're driving under an open sky or through inclement weather, the Hummer EV creates a sense of freedom and connection to the environment unlike any other SUV. Technology is at the heart of the Hummer EV experience. A 13.4 diagonal high-definition screen and an 11-inch driver information center provide intuitive access to navigation, vehicle settings, energy usage, and more, all positioned within the driver's line of sight. The Bose 14-speaker audio system with centerpoint and electric vehicle sound enhancement creates a rich, immersive sound experience, whether enjoying music, podcasts, or the distinctive sounds associated with different drive modes and watts to freedom acceleration. For everyday convenience, the Hummer EV SUV offers features like the Power e-trunk with 11.3 cubic feet of storage, integrated lighting, and a 12-volt power outlet. The Power rear gate and Power rear drop glass enhance cargo access and the open-air experience, making loading gear or enjoying fresh air effortless. Full underbody armor and available skid plates provide peace of mind when venturing off the beaten path, protecting critical components from rocks, debris, and rugged conditions. Safety is never compromised. The Hummer EV SUV comes equipped with Super Cruise, allowing hands-free driving on compatible roads while keeping the vehicle centered in its lane. Regen on Demand enables energy recapture during deceleration, extending range and improving efficiency, and UltraVision cameras provide up to 17 views, including underbody perspectives, acting as a virtual spotter to help navigate tight spaces, trails, or obstacles. One-pedal driving further enhances control, allowing acceleration and deceleration with a single pedal and capturing energy for regenerative braking. Together, these features make the Hummer EV SUV both safe and confidence-inspiring. Charging the Hummer EV is flexible and convenient. The SUV supports up to 300 kilowatt 800-volt DC fast charging, as well as at-home Level 1 and Level 2 AC charging options. With vehicle-to-home bidirectional capabilities, the Hummer EV can even supply power to your home during a blackout. The available in-vehicle energy app provides real-time charging status, energy usage, and scheduling, while the My GMC mobile app allows remote monitoring, route planning, and even access to the Tesla supercharger network for fast charging when you're on the move. Every aspect of the Hummer EV SUV, from its powertrain to its interior and technology, is designed to offer a seamless blend of performance, utility, and innovation. Its electric motors deliver instant torque and responsive handling, making city streets feel like a playground while still providing the brute strength needed for off-road exploration. The combination of four-wheel steer, CrabWalk, King Crab, and Extract mode ensure that no terrain is insurmountable and that drivers can confidently tackle the most challenging environments. Customization options allow owners to truly make the Hummer EV their own. Exterior colors like Coastal Dune, Solar Orange, Graphite Blue Metallic, Interstellar White, Void Black, Meteorite Metallic, Auburn Matte, and Deep Aurora Metallic ensure that the SUV fits any personality. Interior choices, wheel designs, and accessories, including roof racks and cargo management solutions, further enhance personalization, allowing each Hummer EV to reflect its owner's style and preferences. Performance highlights make the Hummer EV SUV a true powerhouse. The 2X with dual motors achieves up to 570 horsepower and 7,400 pound-feet of torque, while the 3X with 3 motors pushes 830 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque. Acceleration is staggering, with the 3X reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds using the watts to freedom mode, an experience previously unimaginable in a vehicle of this size. Despite this, GM estimated ranges of up to 319 miles ensure practicality for long drives and off-road excursions alike. Selectable drive modes, advanced traction systems, full underbody protection, and adaptable suspension make this SUV ready for city streets, highways, rugged trails, and challenging conditions. Innovative technologies like UltraVision, Super Cruise, Regen on Demand, and one-pedal driving integrate seamlessly into the experience, offering convenience, efficiency, and confidence to every driver. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology. The infinity roof provides an open-air experience with removable sky panels, while high-definition displays put critical information and entertainment at your fingertips. The Bose audio system enhances the driving experience with rich, immersive sound, whether navigating urban streets or exploring remote trails. Thoughtful details like the Power e-trunk, Power rear gate, and storage solutions make daily use effortless, while interior customization options ensure comfort and style for every journey. Off-road, the Hummer EV SUV demonstrates engineering excellence. CrabWalk allows diagonal movement in tight situations, King Crab provides additional maneuverability for trail repositioning, and Extract mode lifts the SUV over obstacles with ease. Four-wheel steer improves turning radius, while the extreme off-road package adds electronically locking differentials to maximize traction. Together, these features ensure that no terrain is off-limits and that drivers can confidently tackle the most challenging environments. Safety and driver assistance technologies enhance every drive. Super Cruise offers hands-free driving on compatible roads, while UltraVision provides multiple camera views, including underbody perspectives for precise navigation. One-pedal driving and Regen on Demand improve energy efficiency and control, and the SUV's robust construction, including available underbody armor and skid plates, ensure peace of mind on and off the road. Charging solutions are designed for modern lifestyles. Fast DC charging delivers rapid energy replenishment, while at-home AC charging allows convenient overnight charging. Vehicle-to-home capabilities enable the SUV to power a home during a blackout, and the in-vehicle energy app and My GMC mobile app provide control over charging, range, and energy management, keeping drivers connected and in command no matter where they go.